All right, so in the last 90 days, I've been growing my YouTube channel with simple, low effort videos. And this is coming from a guy who, for the most part of my YouTube journey, I've focused on highly edited videos that would take me hours to edit. I remember when I first started YouTube, I would literally spend maybe 4 to 6 hours editing videos. So I've completely shifted my strategy, and in these past 90 days, I've really just challenged myself to simplify the process and honestly just to see how these more simple videos perform. And when I say simple, low effort type of videos, what I mean is I'm not really scripting my videos. For most of them, I'm not even really doing too many talking points. I'm just kind of going off the dome with, what I'm talking about. I'm also not doing a lot of editing. So I'm really doing basic editing. So I'm just doing basic cuts. I mess up a lot of my videos. So I'm just, editing out the mistakes, the pauses. I don't put music on most of these videos. I'm also not adding B-rolls. So I'm literally just doing basic cuts, and then uploading the video. The main thing that I'm really spending more time on is the thumbnails, because thumbnails are important. So spending most of the time on the topic and the thumbnail. And honestly, this has been a tricky and I would say challenging transition for me because, I'm so used to putting so much time on the production side of my videos. So I've kind of just been forced to kind of get out of my head. And honestly, I've even had thoughts with saying to myself, like, the content isn't good enough or valuable enough just because I'm not spending so much time on the production side. But the numbers are showing me otherwise. And honestly, it's all about your message. It's all about delivering value, meaning just creating content to where people can actually take something away from it, right? Whether that's through education, feeling inspired, being entertained. If you're doing those things, the editing is just kind of like an add-on. It's like the cherry on top, but it's really just about the overall message and the value that you're giving in the content. So now let's talk about some of the major benefits that I've noticed from creating these simpler type videos. The first thing, obviously, they're still growing the channel, right? The numbers prove it. And I'll put some screenshots. People are still watching, engaging in, the ultimate engagement metric, which is they're subscribing, so just seeing that just kind of proves that, you don't have to make these highly produced videos. And some more benefits, obviously, the obvious one, it's less editing time. So I'm just not spending so much time doing this, I'm busy doing other stuff and I can focus on, more money-making activities. And yeah, it's just quicker to edit these videos. I would say on average, I'm not probably spending around 30 minutes editing videos. Obviously, if it's a longer video, it may take me a little bit longer. But it's not a lot of time. And another benefit, like a major benefit, is I've been able to put out more content, which was part of my plan and strategy in these past 90 days. I wanted to challenge myself to put out more content. So the goal was to consistently put out 2 videos a week. Since I've been on YouTube since 2016, I've kind of always mainly been a 1 video a week type of guy. And I would say that's mainly because I was spending too much time on my content. I was just, spending too much time with the planning. It was just way too much time. So by simplifying things, I've been able to be more consistent while also putting out more content, which is a big deal. Because if you put out more content, that means more opportunities. And for me, obviously I've been getting more traffic. Also just more opportunities to make more money because, I'm putting more content out there. So more people are discovering me and watching, my videos. And something that's important to know about these simple type of videos is some viewers actually prefer these types of videos, right? I know from just me and how I view videos, a lot of videos that I'm watching, I'm not even looking at the actual video, I'm just listening because I'm so busy doing stuff. So I like to play videos in the background while I'm multitasking doing other things. So it does make sense to kind of think about your target viewer and how they consume content, and just knowing that people consume content differently. So I've been very happy with my results so far, and I think this is gonna be my preferred type of content style moving forward, of just, you know, not overthinking things. And for me, that's the main benefit, because it's forced me to like simplify my process and not overthink as much, which I feel like is just helping me put out more content. But not only that, it's just helping me become a better creator. It's also helping me with my on camera, like, I don't know, charisma and performance, because I'm filming more, because I'm just keeping it simple. And it's it kind of has me in like this content flow of where content has just become more easy for me. I feel like it used to be so much harder because I was just overthinking things, and I was just spending too much time on the planning, the editing, all that stuff, that I'm seeing that it just doesn't really matter as much as a lot of people think it does. So let me know in the comments what type of content you create. Is it more of the simple style? Is it more, you know, highly produced, highly edited videos? And how's that been going for you? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like. I'll see you in my next video.